guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan guys, for today's video guys, magluluto po tayo ng shrimps with red sauce. Ayan, ngayon maglagay po tayo ng garlic. Guys, after the garlic, we will put our half kilo of our red sauce. This is our red sauce, guys. Ayan, pure tomato sauce. This is puree tomatoes. Guys. Guys, okay, next sauce. And then you will put seasoning, black pepper, salt, oyster. Oyster, nagdadagdag siya ng lasa. This is easy cooking. And then 1 or 2 spoon of sugar. Brown sugar. Since medyo maasim yung red sauce natin, lagyan natin ng brown sugar. This is so yummy. This is very easy cooking. Shrimps with red sauce. We will add more black pepper. And we have here my pampalasa. Masarap sa rice. Very fast cooking. Ayan guys, this is our cooking for today. Our shrimps with red sauce. This is already cooked. Ayan, ready to serve. Ayan, thank you guys for watching. Until next video. Bye! God bless us all. Mwah, mwah.